So we're gonna put whole the rest of the veggies. By the way, since you put those things, you cannot keep opening because they will not cook. They are hard veggies, right? So you have to make sure you keep it covered. I mean, I'm talking to myself, by the way. I'm teaching you, but I'm talking to myself. So here we have red cabbage, we have the stick of broccoli and baby carrots. So I'm gonna put it covered. And we're just gonna let them cook. That's a lot of bouillon. I'm gonna let my bouillon. See, I don't want this steam to come out, that's why I put it here. To keep this steam. Braille, what they call dumpling. In Haitian Creole, we say don braille ou boy. Ou boy. As you can hear, the name is boy. Or don braille. Or don braille. It's really easy to make it. So we put it in soup and black beans, red beans, whatever. I love don braille. Ooh, I love don braille. But it's frightening. Be careful. So we do that to make sure the flour don't have any bad thing in it. That's a way to clean your flour. If there's anything, you would stay here. But thank God it's clean. Hee nothing. You have your flours. We're gonna mix some salty water. Some water. Not a lot. I'm sure it's too much. Sea salt. You can use regular salt, but I love my sea salt. I use regular salt to clean my meat. That's it. And you have to taste it to make sure it's not salty. Voila. See? The flour fall all over me. I need something to cover my body when I'm cooking. The salt enough is not enough. So our water is salty enough. We're gonna put little by little and mix our flour. You cannot scare it to touch. You bite this one, you must touch it. You must. That's a must. That's a must.